This is hot and sour soup, and these are the ingredients. The main ingredients are
tofu. I cut from here and then slice tofu.
dolf. That's the
bean
dolf
sprout.
there, and
Mushroom.
it was dolf cut was there, and that's the cut pieces sufficient for the soup. And next,
Carrot.
striped carrots,
And the bean sprout.
bean sprout,
Mushroom. The lime small
mushroom,
wash and the part.
mushroom slice.
And then this
Right.
is dried banana flour.
That's dry banana flour.
Yeah.
And these are the main ingredients.
Yeah.
And white pepper, sesame oil, vinegar, light soy sauce, and salt. And on this hand we have cornstarch that will be dissolved in water.
Yeah. Like this.
Yes.
Then put inside later. Then egg.
And one egg.
Break one egg.
Break one egg
Then stir.
and beat it. Beat the egg.
Right.
Place a saucepan on the stove. Add mustard oil, about 2 tablespoons.
Kind of oil.
It not necessarily be mustard oil, any other oil is okay. Cut spring onion was added. Add the carrots while stirring, and then the sprouts and the rest. Add light soy sauce, about 1.5 tablespoons. Add water to fill up the ingredients. Be careful, the dough should be added into the water, not during the frying. If it is added during the frying, the dough will disintegrate. Cut some spring onions. When it is boiling, reduce the temperature. Add a pinch of salt to your taste. Add vinegar, about 2 tablespoons. Sometimes some bubble will be formed. Remove the bubbles. Add cornstarch. Cornstarch dissolved in water. Cornstarch to be added until the liquid becomes thicker. For this quantity, about 3 to 4 teaspoons dissolved in water is sufficient. Now add the beaten egg. Add the beaten egg. Slowly stir. Grind some white pepper. Add cut spring onion, and now add sesame oil, about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon. That's the finished dish, and that is the finished hot and sour